When we visited the Peak District to see Bakewell and Chatsworth House this summer, there was time to take a short walk at the Roaches in Staffordshire. It was such a lovely walk with beautiful scenery, we thought we'd like to share this little excursion as a bonus video this week. Parking is a little bit limited but free in a lay-by on a narrow road. We'll put links in the description for anyone wanting exact locations. The Roaches are located in the southwest of the Peak District, above Leek and the Tittersworth Reservoir, and offers wonderful panoramic views. People come from all over the country to hike and climb the gritstone outcrops, a form of sandstone called the Roaches, Hen Cloud and Ramshaw Rocks. We'll be taking the easier walk to Hen's Cloud today. The crags and moorland are home to a great range of wild birds. You may well see red grouse, birds of prey like buzzards, sparrowhawks and even peregrines. We hope you enjoy the scenery.
The sheep are keeping cool up against the shade, aren't they? Well, they run away from you though, don't they? Thank you. Yeah. It's quite cool, isn't it?
Oh yeah, decent.
We made it. Yeah. Oh, once.
Well, that was a wonderful walk on Hen's Cloud on a stunning day in the Peak District. We hope you enjoyed the short walk with us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.